What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Keto Lifestyle, and welcome to another video review. Now, today is a product that I've been seeing pop up all over social media, and I've kind of been wondering, is that really keto? So today we are going to do a review of it and see if it actually is keto. Now, that product is the Too Good yogurt. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Hopefully my camera focuses in on it. But this yogurt, I think the big appeal to people on keto is that right on the label it says 2 grams of sugar, right? But let's go through and first of all look at the macros and then look at the ingredients to determine if it's keto. So I'm gonna put the macros on the screen right here as I walk through them. So first things first, 80 calories for the entire cup, so that's cool. We don't have to do any math or eat half a cup. There are 2 grams of fat, 3 total carbs, of which 2 are sugar, but there are no added sugars. And then there's 12 grams of protein. So in terms of keto macros, you are gonna be a little bit higher on your protein with this, but if you've had a fatty day, I don't see why you couldn't make this work. Now let's look through the ingredients for any signs of non-keto type ingredients in there. So first thing is grade A cultured reduced fat milk. So that's probably why the fat is so low. I kind of wish they would have used whole milk, but that's fine. Water contains less than 1% of tapioca starch. That's the one that's concerning to me. Tapioca starch is basically pure carb, and I think it's not really affecting the macros like you'd expect because of the fact that it's just such a low quantity of it. Natural flavors, lemon juice concentrate, gel and gum, stevia, fruit and vegetable juice concentrates, sea salt, and active yogurt cultures. So again, the only thing in there that bothers me or makes me question whether this is going to have any impact on your blood sugar is the tapioca starch. So before we test this and give the flavor review, I'm going to take a fasted blood glucose reading here, and then I'm going to come back an hour after we do the tasting and see if that actually had any impact on my blood sugar. So let's see what my fasted reading is right now. So we're sitting right at 101. I hope the camera can pick that up. These Keto Mojos aren't the best things for filming, but I'm hoping you guys can see that that's 101. Now let's go ahead and get this tasting going. So what I have here is the vanilla flavor. I have also tried the peach in a previous time that I tried to film this, but my mic screwed up, and that one was pretty good, but we'll try the vanilla today. Actually, I really like the vanilla. I think it's probably my favorite flavor that I have tried. It is very thick, it's a little bit sweet, and the vanilla really comes through. It's actually like a really nice, thick Greek yogurt, and I really bet that granola recipe that I made a while ago, which I'll put in the card right now, would be fantastic to top this with. The peach one I wasn't as impressed with, but what I will say is it's a very thick Greek-style yogurt, which I like over like the other keto variety of yogurts you have available to you, like Kite Hill. It's just too watery for me. But let me go ahead and finish eating this up. I'll come back, do the final blood glucose reading, and then I'll give you my final thoughts on this product. Boom. I'll see you guys in an hour. All right, folks, it has been about an hour since we ate that yogurt, so it's time to check the blood glucose levels to see if anything happened. Well, I hope you guys can see that, we are exactly at 101 still. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that even with the tapioca starch in there, it's not gonna make any impact on your blood sugar, at least for me. Now let's talk about, is this product really keto? Well, if you follow a very strict keto diet, I mean just as strict as can be, that might disqualify it for you just because there's tapioca starch in there. For someone like me who's a little bit more relaxed on things, as long as I don't see a massive impact in blood sugar or a ketone drop or anything like that, I would allow this in a keto diet for myself personally, but only you can make that decision, and it depends on the style of keto that you follow. But let's give it the ratings here. So in terms of flavor, I have now tried the peach and the vanilla flavor, and they're both pretty good. So I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5 in the flavor. But when it comes to keto macros, I'm only gonna give it a 2 out of 5 because the fat is kind of low and the protein's kind of high. But that can definitely be fixed by just keeping your fats high throughout the day. And I wouldn't have 3 or 4 of these a day. Maybe you have one of them and then kind of have to do a little bit of tricks to get your fats up. But that's okay. If you really are craving yogurt, I think this is probably the better option in terms of keto yogurts. With that, guys, it is time to close the video. If you like the video, leave it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed yet, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit that subscribe button, show us some love, and I will see you guys in the next one.